1 Kilo Bravo on departure, maintain VFR at or below 3,000. Expect higher with departure on 118.0, squawk 5115.
Kilo Bravo, VFR at or below 3,000, 118.0, squawking 5115.
Mustang 1 Kilo Bravo, reback is correct, information Victor is correct, have fun.
1 Kilo Bravo, Victor, get it here.
Roger.
Russell Graham, Mustang 51 Kilo Bravo, TAC Air, taxi with Victor.
51 Kilo Bravo, runway 23 left at Alpha 8, taxi via Alpha.
Mustang 51 Kilo Bravo, 32 left, Alpha 8.
And 1 Kilo Bravo, Knoxville Tower, runway 23 left at Alpha 8, clear for takeoff, turn left, heading 170.
Kilo Bravo, clear for takeoff, left 170. Here we go. Gears up.
Close to 5464, 23 left, clear for takeoff, flight heading 200.
2 to left, clear for takeoff, Blue Streak, 5464, flight 200.
1 Kilo Bravo, contact departure, Knoxville on airplane.
1 Kilo Bravo, departure.
It's a great day when you get more than 500 feet per minute climb.
Well, I mean, if I push the engine way up, we could climb about 3,000, but you're really pushing the ponies. I baby this engine. Climb up above 10 to get over these clouds, and we'll call you back wherever Douglas Lake.
1 Kilo Bravo, rudder radar service, squawk VFR, fix, change proof, good day.
Kilo Bravo.
Knoxville approach, November 90336. 9333 X-ray, Knoxville approach. Reset transponder, squawk 4106. Or 33 X-ray, squawk 5232. 5232. 5232, 33 X-ray.
Good. We're going to go to
33 X-ray, radar contact 1 mile west, Gatlinburg Airport.
It'll be 14
maintain
less
7,000.
30 minutes to just get over around these clouds. We'll do a little post-call, lose a little altitude with a little G.
Air 3 Delta Bravo, turn right, heading 120.
Right to 120, Saratoga 3 Delta Bravo.
It's all 106 more mic radar service terminated, squawk VFR 30 change to
Little 4G full here.
target 2 miles northwest of the airport, option gate 1,700.
Squawk VFR for 165.
Okay. We'll pull over here, set up for a quick aileron roll.
Great.
Center 1 Kilo Bravo, I just got in position. What's your request, sir?
We're requesting maneuvering block altitude 5,000 to 10,000.
Center 1 Kilo Bravo, roger. Just going to maneuver in that area east of Gatlinburg.
Kilo Bravo, affirmative.
Center 1 Kilo Bravo, roger. B for altitude, your discretion.
1 Kilo Bravo. Okay, we'll set up for a loop. Be about a 4G pull. Best view's looking out the side, pillar vertical, and then throw your head and look over the top. Got it.
1 Kilo Bravo, sir, southbound turn, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles, same direction. Types unknown, they're leaving 8,000 for 9,500.
1 Kilo Bravo, we'll reverse our turn now.
Turn southbound, number 1 Kilo Bravo.
Still doing Immelman. Get a 1A. We'll do a complete loop now. Then I'll turn it into a cloverleaf. The 90-degree turn in the vertical. And I'll do a big old barrel roll here at the bottom. Okay, we'll climb her on up. I don't think I've stopped smiling since we started. There's Cherokee Lake coming up ahead. We're aiming pretty much towards Morristown. I'm sure you've landed up there at Morristown a bunch. The airport should be right at the tip of the lake almost. Yeah, we'll be going right over.
33 X-ray, contact Tri-Cities approach 125.5. Have a great day.
125.5, 33 X-ray. Have a good day.
Sir, 1 Kilo Bravo, let me know if you climb higher than 9,500.
1 Kilo Bravo, we'll stay at 9,500.
1 Kilo Bravo, roger.
Uncle Mustang 51 Kilo Bravo be maneuvered again, block 5 to 10,000, then returning to Knoxville.
Sir, 1 Kilo Bravo, roger. Just let me know you're ready to go to Knoxville.
1 Kilo Bravo.
271, roger. Send to maintain 4,000.
Send to maintain 4,000, Blue Street 5271.
Legion 472, turn right heading 050, vector for sequence.
Okay, right turn is 050 now, Legion 472. At Knoxville departure, Cardinal 229er, climbing through 4,600 for 3,500.
Cardinal 229, Knoxville departure, radar contact, V for altitude, your discretion, turn left on course to the southeast.
Left on course for 229.
Blue Street 5271 field, 11 o'clock, 16 miles.
Field in sight for Blue Street 5271.
Blue Street 5271, clear visual approximately 23 left, maintain 170 knots or greater until 5 mile final.
Clear to visual 23 left, 170 knots to 5 out, Blue Street 5271.
Blue Street 5271, 170 or greater. Contact tower 121.2, have a great day.
170 or greater to 5 out, over the tower now, good day, Blue Street 5271.
Air 35 Juliet, contact approach 123.9, have a great day.
35 Juliet, contact approach at 123.9, thank you.
123.9, November 35 Juliet, 239.
Mustang 51 Kilo Bravo is returning to Knoxville this time.
1 Kilo Bravo, Roger, you McGee Tyson, Knoxville, or downtown Island?
McGee Tyson for 1 Kilo Bravo.
1 Kilo Bravo, Roger, fly heading 180, vector for sequence.
Kilo Bravo 180.
Oh, Tower Sky 53. S53 81, visual 23 left.
Skywest 5031, Knoxville Tower, winds 2706, runway 23 left, clear to land number 2, following a P-51 in the break.
23 left, clear to land.
Number 1 Kilo Bravo, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 2706, currently number 1 air, turning inside of a regional jet 10 mile final.
1 Kilo Bravo, clear to land 23 left. Green.
November 1 Kilo Bravo, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi to park via Alpha, remain this frequency.
1 Kilo Bravo, left turn Alpha 5 to parking is free.